Switching from GoProposal to Socket is designed to be straightforward. Socket includes tools to help you move your pricing, services, and current client proposals across so you can continue billing without disruption. This video is going to cover importing your services and pricing, and also importing your current client proposals. First, let's look at your services and pricing. The first step is to export your pricing matrix PDF from GoProposal. This can be found at the bottom of your pricing configuration screen. Once you have this document, navigate in Socket to Services and Pricing in the left-hand menu. In the top right, choose Create New Pricing. You can see the option of I'm switching from GoProposal, and this is where you upload your GoProposal pricing matrix PDF that you've just exported. Please note this can take a few minutes sometimes, so just stay on this screen and wait for it to import. Once the import is complete, it will ask you to review your imported pricing. Sometimes you may see that there are some issues during the import. These are outlined with a red caution triangle. If you navigate to where these are shown, it may sometimes say that certain drivers may have failed to be imported, so you might need to go in and edit so this driver can be corrected and updated. In addition, your service descriptions won't be brought over as these weren't contained on the PDF that you imported. By choosing the edit pencil, you can either copy and paste them from GoProposal or use our AI generate description to generate a brand new description for each service. This can then be updated and this is then saved. And this needs to be repeated for any of your services that are missing one. Once happy, you can publish the pricing by using the Publish Pricing button in the top corner. And this finishes importing your pricing and services from GoProposal. Next, let's look at how to import your proposals that you want to bring over from GoProposal. First, export the proposals from GoProposal as a CSV file. We suggest reviewing this file and remove any rows or entries that don't represent any current live work. Once this file has been exported and you're happy with the data on it, navigate to the Proposal screen in Socket. In the top right, you will see the three dots menu. Click this and choose Import. First, you need to tell Socket how you want to treat multiple proposals for the same client. By leaving the default Mark All One Proposals as active means if a client has more than one proposal, they will all be active. If this is how you work, this is the option you'll select. Alternatively, you can choose to mark older ones as superseded. So if a client has multiple proposals, any older ones won't be marked as one and therefore won't be active on Socket. Once you're happy with your selection, choose the CSV that you exported from GoProposal. Once this is imported, you will see the Import Review screen. This shows you your proposal numbers, clients, and the proposal values from GoProposal. Similar to importing your services and pricing, you'll see a number of red cautions to tell you there are issues with this particular item. By clicking this, you will see that in this case, it's telling me we were unable to find a matching client for the various clients that I'm importing. Now, as I might be importing these with no data currently in Socket, I can just leave these alone, as it does tell me there, leave empty if you wish to create a new client during import. If for any reason you already have this client in Socket, you can choose from the drop-down menu and link this client's import to your existing client in Socket. Once you are happy that you've checked the data over, you can choose Finish Import, and this will then import all of those proposals into Socket. Please note, importing proposals from GoProposal is useful for bringing data into Socket, so your billing can continue as expected. However, any imported proposals and their services are added as static data and won't be mapped to your Socket services. To unlock the full functionality, you will need to renew them and map them with these Socket services, and this can be done when you are doing client renewals. And this concludes how to import proposals from GoProposal.